Hey, what's up everybody? It's Tech Devil here. I'm sure you've heard the news. Smartphones have come a long way, right? From clunky bricks to sleek slabs of glass, we've seen it all. But there's something about the flip. Motorola's back at it again with the Razr 50 Ultra/Razr Plus, taking another swing at the foldable future. The question is, does it bring enough heat to reignite our love for flip phones? We're diving deep into the specs, the features, the good, the maybe not so good. From the OG Razr's iconic thin profile to the modern foldable tech of the Razr 50 Ultra/Razr Plus, Motorola's definitely been on a journey. This time around, they're bringing bigger screens, a more powerful processor, and some seriously upgraded camera tech to the table. But is it enough to stand out in a sea of flagship smartphones? Let's break it down and see if this phone flips the script on what we expect from a modern mobile device. First things first, let's talk design. The Razr 50 Ultra/Razr Plus is all about that sleek, futuristic aesthetic. When closed, it's incredibly compact, easily slipping into any pocket. Flip it open and you're greeted by a stunning, almost creaseless, poled display. We're talking vibrant colors, deep blacks, and buttery smooth scrolling. But the real showstopper? That massive 3.6-inch external display. This isn't just your average notification window. We're talking full-on app support, letting you reply to messages, navigate maps, even play games, all without unfolding your phone. Motorola's clearly put a lot of thought into the hinge mechanism too. It feels sturdy, smooth, and satisfying to flip open and close. Plus that satisfying snap when you close it. Classic Razr vibes. Overall, the design is a head-turner. It's sleek, it's modern, and it screams premium. Alright, let's talk cameras. The Razr 50 Ultra/Razr Plus packs a punch with a dual camera system on the back. We're talking a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization for those super steady shots, even in low light. Plus, there's a 13MP ultra-wide lens for capturing those epic landscapes or fitting everyone in for group selfies. But here's where things get interesting. Remember that massive external display? Yeah, that doubles as a viewfinder for the rear cameras. This means you can use the main cameras for selfies, taking advantage of that superior image quality, and those creative angles. It's a game changer for content creators and selfie enthusiasts alike. Motorola's also stepped up their software game, with improved image processing and some fun camera modes. Overall, the camera system on the Razr 50 Ultra/Razr Plus is impressive. Now let's talk power. The Razr 50 Ultra/Razr Plus is packing Qualcomm's latest and greatest processor, ensuring buttery smooth performance for all your everyday tasks, demanding apps, and even some serious gaming. We're talking snappy scrolling, seamless multitasking, and no lag in sight. Battery life is always a concern with foldable phones, but Motorola's done a decent job here. The Razr 50 Ultra/Razr Plus boasts a respectable battery size that should easily get you through a full day of moderate use. Plus, with fast charging capabilities, topping up your battery is quick and convenient. Heavy users might find themselves reaching for the charger a bit sooner. Overall, the Razr 50 Ultra/Razr Plus delivers a flagship-worthy performance. It's fast, it's fluid, and it can handle anything you throw at it. Let's talk software. The Razr 50 Ultra/Razr Plus runs on a near-stock version of Android, which is always a good thing. This means a clean, bloatware-free experience with all the Google services you know and love. Motorola's also added a few nifty software tweaks and features to enhance the foldable experience. Remember that external display? Motorola's created a custom UI that takes full advantage of it. You can customize the panels, add widgets, and even access a mini version of your home screen, all without unfolding your phone. There are also some cool gestures and shortcuts optimized for the foldable design. It's all about making the experience more intuitive and enjoyable. Overall, Motorola's software experience on the Razr 50 Ultra/Razr Plus is a breath of fresh air. So, the big question, is the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra/Razr Plus the right phone for you? Well, it depends. If you're someone who craves the latest and greatest technology, loves the nostalgia of flip phones and wants a device that turns heads, then the Razr 50 Ultra/Razr Plus is definitely worth considering. It's not just a pretty face either. The powerful processor, impressive camera system, and innovative software features make it a truly capable smartphone. Plus, that external display is a game changer, offering a level of convenience and functionality that no other phone can match. However, it's important to remember that foldable technology comes at a premium. The Razr 50 Ultra/Razr Plus is definitely an investment. If you're on a tight budget, there are more affordable options out there. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your individual needs and priorities. The Motorola Razr 50 Ultra/Razr Plus is a unique and compelling device that pushes the boundaries of smartphone design and functionality. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates.